Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John. I got another quick video of cooking with John. We're just going to be doing some quick cooking tips for those of you who are just looking to make something simple and quick. So today, I am going to play around with Campbell's Chunky Chili Mac. Um, it's the beans, macaroni, pasta, and meat. Actually, it's pretty good. It's one of my favorites from Campbell Soups. I do like it a lot. The only thing with this, again, from my previous video with the chili dog Campbell soup, just a little bit bland. So I decided to add some more hot sauce to the ingredient for the Campbell soup, and it actually turns out to be pretty good. I love it a lot. So it adds a lot more flavor to it. So I'm not saying Campbell soup overall is bad, but by adding the hot sauce to it, it just brings out that better flavor. It gives it a little more potent kick to it. I'm not really a huge fan of making it really hot, so I just put in just a medium amount just to make it taste a little bit more better. And actually, it's actually pretty good. So there you go. Hey, thanks a lot for checking out this quick video. Be sure to check out my YouTube channel playlist for more cooking hacks on Cooking with John. I really appreciate it on my YouTube channel and playlist. I'll see you later. Bye.